This is Brandon Sterling on PW336. Today's date is April 24th, 2019, at 12:17 a.m. We're going to be doing a TV or an investigation into main sewer ABC329 through ABC307. This is some 12-inch VSP. It's about 256 foot long. The address here is 1150 North Railroad Street. This is right next to railroad tracks. Right now we're sitting over the downstream manhole ABC307. Vector's out here cleaned out quite a bit of rock and sand, dirt from the segment itself. I was surcharged up at the top side at ABC329. This is Brandon Sterling again, going in at the down overcast weather. And we can still see some debris there on the bench. It's running about half pipe. Vector's been working on it for quite a bit. All right, we got some rock and debris in there right away. It's about 3 foot out of the manhole. Oh, excuse me, 1 foot up the pipe, so 3 foot out center manhole. All right, Vector's come back and clean again. We're back here at the downstream manhole, ABC307, and we did get a work order number. It is 520909. All right, we did see quite a bit of rock. Looks just like the rock around the railroad tracks here. These manholes, the up and down, are both about 3 to 4 foot off the manhole or the railroad tracks themselves, and both of these manholes have the riser rings are loose with some voids there for debris to get in. It looks like Vector Operator got rid of that debris, so we'll drop that off the inspection. There's also a few chips in the pipe, but nothing major. We just drove right past those. $16-foot wide would plug at 2 o'clock. $18-foot wide would plug, 10 o'clock. Looks like there's some debris in there as well. 20 foot, we're going to have another Y with plug, 2 o'clock. All right, 35 foot. We have a field tap of 3 with medium debris. .36 Y with plug, 2 o'clock. Medium debris. .38 Y with plug, 11 o'clock. .61 Y with plug, 2 o'clock. All right, 68, we're going to start some light debris. Well, in that light debris at 78. .86 light debris. And 89 Y with plug at 2 o'clock. We're also going to end that debris here at 89. .92 Y with plug at 11 o'clock. All right, also 92, we're going to start medium debris. Actually, we'll keep that down as light. All right, 104, we'll change to medium. $112, Y at 2. $114, Y would plug at 11. We're also going to end that debris here at 114. $130, multiple hairline cracks. Those will be from 3 o'clock to 9 o'clock. $132, Y would plug at 11. $134, Y would plug 2 o'clock. $138, we're going to get in some more debris. All right, 144, we have multiple open longitudinals. Those will be at 9 o'clock to 3 o'clock. 144 to 146. $146, $147, hairline crack at 12. Also have a open fracture at $147. That's going to be at 5 o'clock. We're going to end that debris that we picked up at 138. We're going to end that at 152. $154 or $155. Y at 2 o'clock. $157, Y would plug, 11 o'clock. $170, we're going to pick up some more debris. 177, Y would plug at 2 o'clock. All right, looks like we have an obstruction. Looks like some conduit going through the pipe. This will be about 3 o'clock to 7 o'clock. And footage 179. All right, we did come back out, put on a larger saw, and we were getting some interference. All right, we did get a pretty decent locate. We're about 10 foot deep and 179 foot south of sewer manhole ABC307. And locate itself is marked with a green stake. And also it's about 4 foot west of the railroad tracks. Overall condition poor at this point. We're going to have to abandon the inspection due to the conduit and the obstacle. Those look like there's quite a bit of rock built up behind this.